Is there anything more fun for a gardener than shopping at a great garden center? I don't think so. We are here in Spokane, Washington at the Rosarium Garden Center, which is one of my favorite garden centers. And we're here with my youngest daughter, Eve. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, here we go. So it is the end of the day now and I am home. I've had a long day getting ready for my daughter's surprise birthday party tomorrow, but I thought I would show you guys what I picked up at the Rosarium, as well as a few things that I picked up the other day at Home Depot, and where I'll be placing those on the new terrace and where I'll be planting them. So when I was at the Rosarium, they had these beautiful Fama Blue scabious or scabiosa, and they are just gorgeous. There were butterflies all over them, so I picked up 3, and honestly I wish I would have picked up more, but I did also order seed of this today, and we'll be hopefully growing a bunch for the garden next year. I picked up this beautiful columbine, as well as this coreopsis, which is I got 2 of these. Which one are you? Let me find a tag. This is the satin and laceberry chiffon coreopsis, and then I picked up 2 more of the Hidcote pink lavender because I needed that for next to my stairs. She had a bunch of starts of the verbena bonariensis, so I picked up 5 of those, and some of this beautiful blue veronica, and it really is a periwinkle blue. And then I found one last start of her English delphiniums, so I picked that up. And I wanted to try a couple of rockery plants, ones I haven't grown before. This is Foxley Thyme and Georgia Blue Speedwell. So I'm just gonna kind of be trialing things, testing them out, see how they do. And then the other day at Home Depot, I picked up 3 more of the Spartan junipers for my hedge, and unfortunately I had an issue with my drip system, and those that were already planted were really drying out, and I fixed that today. So hopefully they rebound and recover. That just would be a big bummer if they didn't. And then they had the Proven Winners daisies. This one is the Amazing Daisies Banana Cream. So I got 3 of those. And then these are kind of going over, but I picked up 3 of these Carpathian harebells, also for the rock wall as a little ground cover. And I think that's pretty much it from what I've gotten over the last couple of days. I have also some seedlings still in trays that I need to get planted, and I will be doing that now. So I still have all of these seedlings left to plant. I had some health issues kind of during this part of the year where we would be normally starting a bunch of seeds and planting out seedlings. And you know, it just goes to show that sometimes life happens and the best laid plans don't always happen, and that's okay. And there's always next year, and I will still have so many beautiful things in the garden. But in this seed tray, I'm going to flip the camera around. In this seed tray down here are Nicotiana, and I will show you the difference between these. Were started at the same time. These are from the same tray. And these are the ones that are in my pots outside of my kitchen garden. And look how huge they are. Same plants, same batch from those trays. It just goes to show you when you don't pot things up, when you don't plant them out, how stunted plants can get when they just don't have the nutrients or the room to grow. But bam, look at those. Let me turn this around. I believe these were from Floret. I'll try to find the name of the variety and pop them on the screen. But 3 plants right there. Same exact seedlings. So anyway. Okay, so I got everything planted. The camera died several times because of the heat. But I will show you where everything is and my plans for the future. Starting at the end here, I planted a Russian sage. This is the Proven Winners Denim and Lace. And then there are 2 Verbena bonariensis here, the banana cream daisies. I have 3 of them. This was the blue speedwell, the creeper to go over the rocks, and then the little harebells. I have 3 of those, one here, and then one at the end. I have that coreopsis here, which I just love, backed by the Fama Deep Blue Scabiosa. I have the Imperial Blue Veronica. I have 3 of them here, and I planted everything fairly close together, knowing kind of what their mature size will be because I want them like to have an instant full look. And in the back, you'll see there's a English blue or English delphinium seedling back there, but then there's a bunch of space for me to pop in a few David Austin roses at the back of the border, which I will do when those come in later in the month. And I also planted another Verbena bonariensis, some of the Granny's Bonnet, the Columbine. I have one here, and one here it's the like blue purple. And then I have another Verbena bonariensis and a Camelot lavender foxglove, I believe. And then over here, here's that other harebell I just planted, and then in the back I have the 5th Verbena bonariensis. And then over here, I have plans for this space behind the Gara and the Geranium Roseanne, and then I have, oh my goodness, it's escaping me at the moment. Back in this section right here, I have more space for some. I had bought 3 David Austin Mary Rose, which I was going to put there. And then on the side of the stairs, I now have 5 of the Hidcote Pink Lavender. And then there's 1 bonus Hidcote Pink Lavender right here. So we'll see how everything pulls through this heat, but pretty much that's the retaining wall done. I just need to plant the roses when they come in. I have a couple of clematis, which I'm considering putting on obelisks in here somewhere, or finding another place for them up in the main garden. But that's it for now.